Alright guys, Tech Guy here, and today I have a really easy DIY video for you guys on the little 1 Series, the E87 130i. We're going to be replacing the rear wiper blade, and this applies to any 1 Series of this generation, the E87. Now even if you don't normally work on your car yourself, there's no reason why you can't change out a wiper blade easily rather than paying a garage to do it for you. A very straightforward job, and there are a few options at different price points available out there with regards to the rear wiper. Now I'm going to be using a genuine BMW part today, but a good alternative is always the Bosch wipers. I've always found them to be pretty good. Right, so here's our new genuine part that we're going to be using today, and that's the BMW part number for anybody that's interested. Right, let's get this thing changed out. Okay, so to start off with, we're going to grab the arm, I'm going to pull it out like this. And if we take a look at the old wiper blade, you'll see it's got a little plastic tab top and bottom. We just need to squeeze them together. So if we grab the wiper blade from this side, we'll press them two plastic tabs top and bottom together, and then we're going to slide the wiper blade away from the car, just like that. Then we'll take our new wiper blade here, and as you can see, we've got them two plastic clips top and bottom there. So we're going to insert it this way around. Of course, you've got this nose piece here, so we're going to hook that piece on first. That. I'm going to squeeze the two tabs in, just press it into position, and then it is worth just taking a quick look just to make sure it's all seated correctly and not half popping out. Looks okay. And then to finish up, we can reposition the arm back on the glass. Alright guys, so there we have it. That's how easy it is to change out the rear wiper blade on your little 1 Series. If you found the video interesting or useful, don't forget to give it a like, and make sure you go and check out the rest of my YouTube channel for more BMW DIY content. Consider subscribing if that's your cup of tea. I'm Tech Guy. Thanks a lot for watching.